Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create prayer times using our prayer times tool, a powerful feature that helps Islamic centers and mosques display accurate prayer schedules directly on their websites. Today, I will walk you through how to set up accurate prayer times online, how to embed prayer times on your mosque's website, and how to preview and customize the display style. To get started, log into your admin portal. Then go to Digital Signage and click on Prayer Screen. After that, click on Prayer Times. You will land on the main page where you can create and manage the prayer schedule. Click on Embed Prayer Times on your website. You will find step-by-step instructions to add the tool using an iframe or WordPress plugin, along with a live preview of how it will look. Now, going back to the previous page and click on Create New Prayer Times. Now, enter the zip code of the city. For example, I'm using the zip code of the city Carmel. Then turn on Location by City. Next, choose the calculation method. I am choosing Islamic Society of North America, ISNA. Then select the juristic method. I am selecting Hanbali. Now select the month and the year and click on Calculate Prayer Times. And your location's prayer times will be generated instantly. There are three display options available for your website. One is the vertical layout, the second one is the horizontal layout, and the third one is the footer widget. These will automatically update every day according to the prayer time of that particular date. You can choose the one that best fits your site design and layout preferences. And that's how you can create and display prayer times on your website in just a few steps. Stay connected with your community through accurate, automated, and beautifully displayed prayer schedules. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.